मिजोरम में केंद्र द्वारा एफएमआर खारिज करने को लेकर आज भारी विरोध प्रदर्शन देखा जा रहा है। एनजीओ कोऑर्डिनेशन कमेटी के सौजन्य में यहां भारी तादाद में लोग आइजॉल की सड़कों पर उतर आए हैं। इन 5 संगठनों में महिला संगठन, सीनियर सिटीजन्स बॉडी और द सेंट्रल यंग मिजो एसोसिएशन भी शामिल है। और इस वक्त हमारे साथ हमारी संवाददाता इजराइला हमसे जुड़ी है। इजराइला, as there is this Mizoram protest going on, as we can see a lot of people gathering here, what kind of latest updates do you have right now?
Antum berkuih bernialang ancuan lamsia macam border fencing di antum chanle FMR sia anti chan antum berkuih bersia ke anda acuan.
Israela, what kind of latest updates do you have right now, as there is protest going on in Mizoram and a lot of people have gathered there?
Yes, people have gathered in front of Wanapa Hall, which is the city center. And right now, the NGO Coordination Committee Chairman Lalman Twana is giving a speech wherein he mentioned that this idea of the center fencing the border and scrapping of the free movement regime has come out of the idea of N. Biren Singh. He stated that N. Biren Singh has kept on requesting the Home Ministry for fencing of the border and removal of the FMR. And he said that we will keep on, we will fight against this removal of the free movement regime till the end. So he's also saying that they have fenced the Bangladesh border, and the fencing of Myanmar is no longer needed, as many of our ethnic groups, our brothers and sisters, are living on the other side of the border. We cannot allow fencing of the border or removal of the free movement regime. No? Am I audible?
Kalau fencing kita cuan adang tak dono ani ini pasal ani.
Israela, can you tell us why exactly this protest is going on? What is the main reason behind it?
Can you please repeat the question? I can't hear you.
Israela, can you hear me? Israela?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Can you just tell us the exact reason? Can you brief us why this protest is exactly going on?
This protest is going on because, see, as Mizos, the people of Mizoram do not want the fencing of the Indo-Myanmar border because they are relatives, they are ethnic groups living on the other side of the border. Our brothers and sisters are living on the other side of the border. So that is the main purpose of the protest. And before also the NGO Coordination Committee has stated that fencing would hamper this brotherhood between the two groups. And removal of FMR is not feasible, as people cannot freely visit each other if the FMR is scrapped. Those are the main reasons why this protest is going on.
Israela, how many people have gathered there?
Yes? Hello?
Israela, roughly how many people have gathered for the protest?
There are around, I think, 1,000 people. Traffic also is a bit hampered. I think they have diverted some of the traffic also due to the gathering.
Okay, Israela, how are the security arrangements there?
There are lots of policemen around, but so far there has not been any violence. Like, it's a very peaceful protest. People are here holding their placards, highlighting their, the placards are read that they do not want border fencing or they do not want removal of the FMR. Such are the placards. But otherwise, it's quite a peaceful protest.
Okay, Israela, do you think this protest will lead to...
Hello?
Israela, will the NGO Coordination Committee submit a fresh memorandum on the issue today?
Today, I don't know. They haven't mentioned that yet. We will be talking to the leaders, the NGO coordination committee members after the protest, and also MP, Rajya Sabha MP, K. Vanal Vena is also in the crowd. He has been very vocal about, he has been very vocal in his protest against this IMB fencing and removal of the FMR. So we will try to talk to him also after the protest gets over.
Okay, Israela, can you just connect to some of the protesters present there?
Pardon?
Can you just connect to, can you speak to some of the protesters present there?
Yes, sure. Yes, so I'm here with one of our MLA. So I'm standing with him. He is among the protesters here. Hello?
Yes, Israela, I can hear you.
Yes. So I'll be asking him the reason why he come here. So he is here stating that he is supporting the movement and he is dressed up in traditional Mizoram dresses as well. With all the hair and all. So he said that he's in protest of this, so that is why he's among the people. And he's here during the recess of the budget session. The budget session is going on right now. So during the recess, he has come all the way to the protest to join the protest.
Okay, Israela, how long will the rally continue? And are there many protests lined up in the coming days?
I think it will. The NGO coordination committee has stated that if their demand is not met, they will keep on protesting. So for today, I think the protest will go on for about an hour or so. But I think other protests shall take place.
आपको बता दें कि मिजोरम के मुख्यमंत्री लालदुहमा म्यांमार की सीमा पर बाड़बंदी का खुलकर विरोध किया है। उन्होंने कहा कि उनकी सरकार भारत म्यांमार सीमा पर बाड़ लगाने और मुक्त आवागमन व्यवस्था को समाप्त करने के विरोध में है। लालदुहमा ने शनिवार को एनजीओ समन्वय समिति के नेताओं के साथ बातचीत के दौरान ये बात कही। सीएम लालदुहमा ने केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री से इस बारे में कई बार मुलाकात भी की है। सीएम लालदुहमा के अनुसार मौजूदा सीमा का निर्धारण ब्रिटिश शासन द्वारा मिजो समुदाय को अलग अलग करने वाली फूट डालो और राज करो की नीति के माध्यम से किया गया था। भारत और म्यांमार में रहने वाले मिजो समुदाय के लोग अभी भी प्रशासनिक इकाई के तहत पुनः एकीकरण का सपना देखते हैं। सीएम लालदुहमा ने इस संदर्भ में जनवरी और फरवरी में 2 मौकों पर केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री अमित शाह से मुलाकात की और उन्हें भारत म्यांमार सीमा पर बाड़ लगाने तथा FMR हटाने पर मिजोरम के रुख के बारे में बताया था। और इसी FMR को हटाने के लिए मिजोरम में आज बड़ा प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है, जिसमें करीब हजारों की संख्या में लोग विरोध करने हेतु एकत्रित हुए हैं।